Hello and welcome to the second introduction to BHTML.js. BHTML.js is a straightforward, full-stack platform that enhances standard HTML development with three key features: server scripts, server attributes, and server tags. In the first video, we discussed the concept of server-side scripts. In this video, we will focus on practical application and demonstrate the development process of a real web app. Throughout this process, you will learn how to effectively use and develop server tags and attributes. Let's begin by envisioning the end result we want to achieve with our app. Here is a preview of the application. To illustrate the capabilities of BHTML.js, I have used the design of my company's responsive website. This website is built using Bootstrap, jQuery, and other libraries that add animations and other engaging elements. This demonstrates that BHTML.js is not limited and can seamlessly integrate existing and third-party libraries. Users have the option to sign in or register. After authentication, the system generates a personalized menu based on the user's permissions. Users can then select the desired options from the menu and perform their tasks. For better multitasking, the app features a tab-based interface, allowing users to work with multiple pages concurrently. Now that we have defined our goal, let's start from the beginning. I began by copying the structure of my company's website, which is a static site that looks visually appealing. It is responsive and relies on Bootstrap, jQuery, and other third-party libraries. Using my integrated development environment, IDE, I opened the HTML file and analyzed its structure. I observed that it is divided into several sections. A head tag with various settings. A sticky header containing the logo and navigation bar. A menu designed specifically for smartphones. Different sections for displaying site content. A footer. I removed the sections that pertain to the site's content, keeping only the upper part. To simplify the code, I wanted to break down the overall task into smaller, independent components, and this is where server tags come into play. I copied the header section with the menus, the first section, and the footer to separate HTML files. With BHTML.js, any HTML file can be used as a server tag. It's as simple as that. You can either create your own custom tags or utilize predefined ones. As a result, my main body now consists of the menu, home page, a dynamic div, and the footer section. The dynamic div will serve as a container for different pages with their respective functionalities. In each server tag, I place the relevant code corresponding to the logic of that tag, creating independent units that can be reused. Let's take a look at the menu elm.b.html as an example. This component features dynamic elements such as menu items and a section that displays the user's name. Additionally, it includes two different sections for desktop computers and smartphones. To make the menu bar dynamic, I removed the existing items and added a server.id attribute to the UL tag that hosts the menu items. The same attribute was applied to the UL tag responsible for the smartphone menu items. Note that this is our first encounter with a server attribute. Attributes beginning with server point are considered server attributes. They are not sent to the client but can be leveraged by the server-side script. This prevents unnecessary information from being sent to the browser. In the server-side script, I implemented a function called addMenuItem that can add any given item to the menu. It can create main items or sub-items under existing main items, thereby ensuring consistency across both menu bars. For the username section, I created two separate div tags, one for displaying login/register options when a user is not logged in, and a second div that displays the user's name when they are logged in. I added a function named setUIByUser to manage the appropriate display of these divs based on the user's authentication status. By adopting this approach, I successfully developed an independent and reusable app menu component. In the next video, we will continue building on this app and explore more advanced features of server tags, including database access and limitless customization options with server events. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.